Now, I feel very sorry for the EFF. I feel very sorry for them. And in fact, I'm going to make a very broad and generous offer today, because they really are a terrible opposition. And as a former Chief Whip in Parliament, I'm going to sit down with some of them and explain to them how Parliament works. First of all, if you feel a minister has not been honest in a parliamentary reply, the Ethics Committee is not where you lodge your complaint. And I would encourage him to go and read the Executive Ethics Act, which shows that such a complaint should go to the Public Protector's Office as a custodian of that. The Ethics Committee has got no mandate to determine the veracity or otherwise of members of the executive answers to Parliament. So I'm very happy to help and school the EFF in that particular regard. But some of them are frankly beyond help. And I think have been victims of a failed education system that has left large people unable to read for meaning. Because if they had taken the time to read properly the answers to the parliamentary questions that they themselves submitted in Parliament, they would have seen nobody has been appointed or been paid a salary in any minister's office that does not meet the requirements. It was there in black and white, the answers to their questions. Nobody is being paid, no one has been appointed, nobody has been taken on that does not meet the requirements. So they really do need to learn to perhaps read the answers to their own questions. But I don't blame them, because frankly they need any distraction they can find. Plunging to 6% in the polls, loss of support in the last election, exodus of senior leadership out of the organization, hurtling towards the Congress, which will no doubt be the coronation of the leader for life of the EFF. I would also want to find every effort I could to distract attention away from it. And I can tell you something, that if I had produced an election result like Mr. Malema produced, I've no doubt that many of you's first question to me today would have been, why are you still there? And I hope that Mr. Malema is going to answer those questions. Raymond, thank you.